Hey, I'm James Pelton. Welcome to SucceSaaSful. Whether you're tired of your 9-to-5 job and you want to try something new, or you're just looking for a side hustle, just looking for a little bit of extra income, you have come to the right place. This channel is devoted to starting small micro businesses, specifically software as a service, which we'll talk about here in a minute. But we want to start small, sustainable, profitable businesses with minimal capital and minimal risk upfront. A micro business is basically just something that you can start with very low overhead. You get just a few customers. It might not make $1 million a year, but without a lot of overhead, maybe it'll make $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month. Then you can start your next one and start creating these income streams. Now, if you've never heard of SaaS before, that stands for software as a service. And it's the most popular model of software today. Basically, you pay monthly in order to access certain software. So Netflix would be an example of SaaS. It's software that you get to use and you pay monthly to use it. And a SaaS micro business is actually how I got started. I wrote some software that sends out mass text messages, and it was just a side hustle for me. It was something I was doing on the side. But when you start getting people to pay monthly payments, then every time you get a new customer, that grows your monthly income. Eventually, we were up to 30,000 customers. I had 12 employees, and I was able to exit the business for $6 million. And again, I want to help you do the same. And don't worry, you don't have to be a tech expert, a code expert. We'll show you how you can get these micro SaaS businesses set up with just the tools that you have at your disposal. And we're going to be using a lot of tools off a platform called AppSumo. But AppSumo offers amazing software deals, and the way they set it up is you just pay once for a lifetime subscription. So if it's normally a tool that costs $29 a month, but you can get a lifetime subscription for $100, then you can use that as the backbone for your business, and you don't have monthly costs going forward. Also, they have a 60-day money-back guarantee on everything, so if it ends up not working out or you don't like the software, you can get your money back. So I started this channel because I talk a lot about investing. But one problem with investing is you're taking your hard-earned money, you're giving it to other people and hoping they perform. You're trusting that they're honest, take advantage of you, that they're not going to be incompetent. And honestly, I'm just tired of it. I would rather the control be in our own hands. We just talk about businesses that we can start, where we make the decisions. We don't have to trust other people around us. Investing has made me a cynical old man. So if you're looking to make an extra $3,000, $4,000 a month, you're at the right place. This is not drop shipping. This is not get rich quick. This is not money-making schemes. We're not going to have any of that on here. It's all going to be about creating businesses. We'll guide you step by step on different tools that you can use, how to find your 5 customers, how to get your first $1,000 a month, and eventually maybe even how to exit your business for a big chunk of money. And my goal is not to make people rich necessarily. I've seen money ruin a lot of good people, but I believe what the Bible says, that it makes you happier to give than to receive. Jesus said that. It's more blessed to give than to receive. So my goal is to help you achieve financial freedom so you can take better care of your family. You can take care of widows and orphans. That's pure and undefiled religion, James chapter 1 says. But I want you to make more money, not to improve the standard of living necessarily, but to improve your standard of giving, because that's where true blessedness is. So if you're ready to start your journey to financial freedom, please hit subscribe, give this video a like, turn on notifications, and welcome to SucceSaaSful. Excited to be on this journey with you.